So sweetie, let's unboard this our kitchen sink. You guys already see when we went to buy it in the mall. And the same time, this is so beautiful. Like this is two double sink. And then we have it over here. Like this is so heavy, guys. I don't even know if I can carry it. So this has been over here almost 1 week now. So they are coming to, so they will be fixing it tomorrow by God grace. So let's keep it here and then let's check it one was done. Oh my goodness. I think I need knife. Hey. So they are coming tomorrow to fix it, guys. So look at that. This is what it looked like. Oh my gosh. Like this carton is so huge. So it comes with this, you guys already see. I have this chopping board, but this one is more cute because I have this. So it comes with this chopping board. So according to that, this one is all this like the pap, all this type of it, where the water is going to be going through, you know. So that is what they have over here. They have all this, and the same time they have this. So this one is just to after fixing it, where the water is going to be going through. So that is the particles we have over here. This one now, water used to come out from here, guys. So they are going to fix this one because this one is still going to be bringing out water after they're fixing it. So this is one of the sink. So this one is one of it. This is so cute. It looks beautiful, and it's a very black. So you can come out this thing. The water will be going through here. We have this other one. Let's see what they have here. Okay, this one contains the tap. At the same time, we have all this. All this one is still hose, and then this one is the. This one, like if you want to do something like this, so that is for this. So they are going to fix it. So we are going to be having this kind of this is the off and on. So this one is the water. You guys already see it like this, and then it comes like this. So this one comes with it, and then they have this. I think this one is the. They're going to fix this one from down. It looks very heavy. So this one is for this. So that is for this one. So they are coming tomorrow, guys. I can't wait for them to fix this. Like I can't wait for them to fix it. So now we have this one again over here. So this one is if I want to use liquid soap, then this one is the soap can. So this one again, they have this. Look at this. This is so cute. So this one is for vegetables, and then after rinsing plates, and then look at the main basin. So all this hosting now is where they are going to be fixing it. And then sugar to that they say now the water go they come as you see here, guys. So over here now, once they fix it like this, so they are going to fix it like this. So they are going to fix it somewhere here, and then this place is going to be supplying water, and this one is still going to supply water. You can see that. So I can't wait. Like once they fix it, I'm going to on it for you guys to see. So this one now is going to be here when they fix it, and they're going to be supplying water from here too. So it comes with this. So the sink have to be here like this, and then this other one still have to be here. So two of them have to be here like this. So sweetie, let's wait for them to come tomorrow, for them to visit, and then let's see how everything go. So I can't wait to fix this and that one because I'm going to be so excited when they finally fix it. So this one still have to bring water. I'm just going to open it for them because they are coming tomorrow. No need of it being in the carton, so that's why I'm just unboxing it. So in case they come, they just see everything, and then they will start fixing because they are coming very early tomorrow morning. So this is the come with. So I'm trying to bring everything out. I'm trying to bring everything out. So what we have over here, look at this one. This one is still water. This thing, wow. So this one is still going. They're still going to fix this particular one too. You can see. Anyway, it's going to be so cute because I've already seen the video after fixing it. Like, it's so beautiful. And then let's wait for them to fix our own. So yeah, they need something like this. So I'm going to be keeping it for them. So this is the things they come with. And then yeah, let us wait for them to fix it, sweetie. And I'm going to be so excited. Anyway, so this is going to be our new sink for washing plates. At the same time, preparing our vegetables and any good thing that come from it. I'm going to take you guys along how we still use it. Always stay tuned for baby girl. Don't forget to share our video because we love you. In my next one, guys. Bye.